A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for northwestern Alexander and western Union counties in southern Illinois and southeastern Stoddard, Scott, western New Madrid and Cape Girardeau counties in southeast Missouri until 9:45 p.m. At 9:29 p.m., radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms still capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from 9 miles west of Ware to Malden, moving east at 30 miles per hour. These storms have a history of producing isolated wind damage. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Cape Girardeau, New Madrid, Scott, and Stoddard, and the following counties in Illinois: Alexander and Union.